hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no bother with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear.
Rosie, how trouble you, man?
Nobody no trouble me, bunny. And we have a place so clean and nice.
Ah, think so about trouble here, no? But a killer boy for you, no? Me love you, Rosie. Me love you, Rosie.
You really mean that, bunny?
Yeah, man, me mean it, man.
Hey boy, buddy, you say that we go to do all call me out. That's all that you do, man. Where you do, man? Where you back here, back of this man?
I try style, man. What kind of back we say I talk about?
Oh, you go on.
That boy need to watch him out, you know.
Yo, Headless, are we there? One man around here, yeah, dog, you need to come see what going around here.
Who's that?
A rich man.
Come on now.
Mavis, you can't put on the pot, you know, because money will come right now, you hear? Alright, put on the pot. Alright. Pity the blind. Pity the blind. Blind begging us something. Thank you, mommy. Blind begging us something. Pity the blind. Beg us something. Hey, sharp boy, where you read that, try? You know something like thief, don't boy. Yo, you mean I like thief, you know, yo. Come here, try to work me honest, brother, and a boy try thief me.
So, my friend, where your man there?
Headless guy in the city, what you worry about?
Can I do my body in the city?
Man, dead today.
My girl, hold on. Right now, watch. Hold on.
I really in my yard come trouble my girl.
Jesus.
Hey boy, any ever come back on my yard, you're dead. You one jazz ranking, pelican shit.
I don't know, man. I tell you something. Cool like me wash my face with the cake so up. Cool like me wash my face, yo. I drop a road, I go brown. You think cartel can brown like me? Yo, wash my face, yeah, man. Yo, officer. Remember say I saw fly up. I'm on to play jet cream. Bombard, soap up on me now, me eye. Cool like me wash my face with the cake so.
Yo, how a bombard kicks up here use that?
Yo, I'm my cake soap, daddy. I'm tell you what, man. I'm a woman send me cake soap, come give me. I come interrupt, man, and man, I wash them face and I get cold.
You miss me cake soap them now.
Yo, and a year cake soap, but yo, where you pan?
Look you. The look you tell me say you sell the cake soap now.
Yo, I'm a woman send me cake soap, come give me.
Say a bad man.
Really, dog.
Yo, I'm born you.
Yo, we really depend, dog. That more have to know, dog. We really depend. You see me, I wash my face and I try to get me on the boss. I come disturb me.
Hey,
yo, dog.
Hey, you know what they call me Ferris?
No.
You think that woman's soft?
I don't know, dog.
Dan.
Yo, boss.
You want to get bun up? You want to get bun up in yourself?
Yo, boy, police officer.
Boy.
Officer.
What a boy, man.
Yo, see a cake soap. See a cake
Yo, see next time. See next time I run for my cakes up.
Yo, officer.
Yo.
Police.
Me I want about football in here if you stop play football, man. Cause you do in your bag.
I want to play for Chelsea, man.
You play for Chelsea and damage up yourself, so?
The boy, Kola, slide tackle me, man.
Slide tackle you? You want to see in your back, you hold in your back black and blue. This not even look like a football. You play and get big.
Cause boy, slide tackle me on the sideline, man. I jump on a mash it. Where's the top now, man? Me go beard. Top, me go beard. Somebody had to be back, man. You mad, man. Oh, man, but Rosie, you know, man.
Mama beard now?
Oh. Rosie, no me, man.
Mama beard.
Rosie. Come here, do a girl, jam, I don't know your girl. Come, girl, we have to sit down.
You look happy, do a girl.
Girl, one piece of jam, I don't know my yard today.
Hey! Tell me about it, girl. What go on?
Girl, me catch headless with woman.
Jesus Christ. So we are doing it, girl.
Girl, they say girl jump 3 window. Not even Shelly and Fraser could catch her back. Girl, cut long story short, or someone me come for back.
Girl, me nah no money, you know. Me nah no money.
So girl, Ferris no have 700,000 give you.
Shh, idiot. That's why me not like tell you nothing, you know. Can me tell you something I see I come tell me. Me tell you me nah no money, my girl. I want me to you. This. Girl, me coulda make you sleep up here, you know. But Shaman don't control the set here already.
So me not can sleep with you and rich in her bed.
Girl, but I coulda fresh girl, but you know easy. As a girl, no girl, come go down your mother go build till tomorrow me find a man give you, girl. Come. And for me not so careless. 2 2 ago here say she ain't rich in her business. She not easy.
Hello, yes, good afternoon. Yes, Miss Campbell. Yes, Mr. Brown here from Sunrise Cafe. Oh yes, yeah. We have a card down here with your name on it. Yes. We have a card down here with your name on it, and we would like you to come down here and verify if it's belonging to you. And we have some video clippings of some persons trying to make a purchase from your card. Yes, Miss Campbell, we're located at West J's Uptown Mall. Okay, all right, thanks. Alright, yeah.
Girl, you remember what day at the restaurant? What a boy full con disgrace about $50 soda.
So mama, you never see me and my foot a touch on a day.
Me feel you. Me say when me see how them boy dress coming at people them restaurant.
Not even that. God know me didn't want to come up, but show me so hungry, me didn't want to leave food.
Okay. Girl, when I go home I have a piece of diarrhea.
Boy, Richie gonna take my money spent on JCS Crystal. All the ugly shape bad looking girl Beyonce gonna take my money spent on.
Jesus Christ, me I have to go see if we can get him back to carry back down there. The
God
food
know.
it tastes good though.
The food never yeah, the food did alright, it turn up. But God know me did embarrass and matter about this. So me I touch on the table, missus.
Tell us.
You Miss Hasface Crystal, you may come to. We are Richie now.
But I want to do this a gala. Whatsoever me and Richina, my girl, no concern you. What do you?
Oh, so you're a warlord. You're a warlord. Hold on. And mash me and mashing up.
You know if you run.
Capital K.
No, she know if you run.
Big box.
You look here and I broke my name, broke your neck. You see you look here Beyonce, you see you down there jiggle up your body, you see if you Goku, you should have make your board catch me. Yo, you see if you didn't make your board catch me, girl. Me tell you, yo, me not wild Nina. You see, you know, a 3 days me are going to live. You see if you never make it ever pick me, I 1.5 days and I get a stiff dead.
Yeah, but 3 days give people to live. I hate me walk up here.
Yo, they girl don't know.
Another girl, all you do is you want to cash the gold. What?
All your wig, you're lucky.
Look at her look dirty wig. We don't want that.
Mash me and mash them then girl, you know. If me not mash them up, me not name Rosie, me and mash them up. You men, let me tell you something, me not kill them girl.
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, me want you hear me, miss. A carelessness cause this a crisis.